जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल अगेन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं स्पेनजी यूनिवर्सिटी स्कॉलरशिप्स के बारे में जो तुर्की में ऑफर हो रही है। दिस इज़ अनदर फुली फंडेड स्कॉलरशिप एंड यू कैन स्टडी फ्री in Turkey. So this scholarship will talk about the details, complete application process. So let's start without any delay. So here is the website and the scholarship details, like host country is Turkey and university is Spanji University. This is actually a private university, but still it's fully funded, offering a fully funded scholarship. And you can see the type of scholarship below that is kind of fully funded scholarship, and the degree level is masters and PhD. And of course the last date is 30th May 2025, and application fees is not there, so you can apply without any application fees. And here if you see that the 355 is the worldwide ranking and the first private university in Turkey, so you can apply in it. And here are the benefits of this scholarship. You can see that for the master's students you will find 850 US dollar and a stipend monthly, and PhD 1310 US dollar, and for post qualification 1440. And similarly for special project students, and you could get even more scholarships in US dollars. So there are categories, you can just check it on and you can apply directly without any delay. And not only this, if we see here, free on campus housing is being offered, like for MA and MSc master student, two persons room, one room sharing. And for the PhD, only single room is available for the single person, and with a private bathroom and free Wi-Fi as well. So here you can see that 6,500 Turkish lira, $170 for students who are not using campus housing. For example, if you are not gonna use the campus housing like dorm in the university, so you can directly get $170 from the university, and they will give you to live outside the university. Here they also give the private health insurance, dedicated laptop, computer, conference participation support, and transportation support. So all these it's very amazing scholarship which is offering all these benefits. And here are the courses, fields. You can see the manufacturing, physical, social studies, economics, history, business, mathematics, and all those you can read them out. Here are the required documents: CV, you must have Europass CV, statement of purpose, passport picture, highest official transcript, highest degree or provisional certificate. For example, if you don't have completed your last degree and you want to still apply, so you can still apply on the base of provisional certificate. This certificate can be taken from your university. Two recommendation letters are also required for this. And also, last but not least, English proficiency certificate. Here we'll see that how the language requirement is. Of course they require some kind of certification. There is a process: find your program, the program requirements, prepare documents, and submit the online application on the website. Here are the requirements, and you can see the details here. Online application, and these are the forms of all the programs. You'll have to download them, fill them up, and upload on the application portal. We'll go through the portal as well right now after this. So here you can see the documents required already we have talked about, and degree requirements. Here is the English proficiency exam result needed if you have TOEFL, IELTS, PTE or anything. But still, if you don't have those exams, here is the exemption, and you can still give your Spanji University English language assessment exam online. They will have an exam and they will assess your language proficiency, and they will give you the certificate of English language. Here's the academic calendar. You can see that the details when they offer the language exam, and you can register for that as well. So if we go through the next, and for example, if you see, here's one of the graduate school of engineering and natural sciences, their admission requirements. We can open this, and if you go there in the website, similarly other social sciences, business school, application dates, and academic calendar as well. So on this website you can see that sign in and with email or password. So first of all, if you don't have account, you will have to create new account like this, and then let me see, here you'll have to enter your email, name, surname, password, and confirm your password. Again, you'll have to click on their requirements, and then here you see, if you don't have surname, you can add 3x, and this will also be applicable. And some people don't have like second name or third name. So verify your email and you will receive a confirmation email. Click here, and then you will log in again, and there's the detailed of documents. Enter your personal data, similarly like this: gender, citizenship, passport number, whether you have the passport, ordinary passport, you can add whatever passport you have. And last but not least, you can simply add your passport number, birthday, and if you have any disability you can write, otherwise no. And then native language, you must have your Urdu, and save it to the next. And then here you can add your address, phone, social network, academic history, if you have, like where you studied, your last degree. And then you can add your last degree details, like if you find here, for example, we select randomly Master of Philosophy, or any of the kind of Master of Science, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Technology, and whatever you have done la previous degree, you can just select from here. And then you can add for the details: institute, field of study, major, registration date, graduation information. And if you haven't yet graduated, you can click on this box. If not graduated, please click this box, so there will be no graduation date required. And so if you have graduated already, so you can write your graduation date as well. And next, if we see down here the country of school, you can just simply see that the rank, city of school, grading system. For example, if you have 4 CGPA, 5, 10, or 100, whatever the system is in your university or school, you can write. For example, if you write it here 4 in my university, so it was 4 was the full CGPA criteria. And you can write your random, like if we write randomly 3.48, we can remove it. 3.48 is a random CGPA, so you can put your CGPA here and save. And next, it will require the test score, and this is the language test score. If you have done any PT, IELTS, or any of the GRE tests, you can mention here and put the details. Otherwise, as we told, you can give the here you can click, do you want to give the SABENSI exam, language exam. Here's the employer details, you can just click it. If you have, you can add. And then documents required, all these documents are required: diploma in English language assessment exam, English proficiency exam results, notarized Turkish or English translation of your undergraduate master diploma. For example, if you have your last degree, and mostly universities have their degrees in English, so you don't need to get it translated anymore. Similarly, you need transcript of your degrees, and transcripts get notarized. Also, if you have any portfolio, social sciences, this is for the social science students, so you can upload here. Statement of purpose you can upload, and science test score results if you have done any such kind of exam, so you can also upload it here. Similarly, and for example, if you have selected statement of purpose, write the name of the document and then upload the file and submit it, or you can save it to move on the next option. And writing sample is also for the social sciences students. So if you have anything like this, so you can upload Otherwise you can add others and write the document name and save. Similarly, recommenders, add all the details of the recommenders, and there will be an email sent from the university. So you'll have to ask your professor, whoever is your recommender, so they can fill it, the recommendation for you, and they can recommend you for this scholarship. All the details, organization, sector, email, surname, name, and also their contact details. Application to other universities. This is very interesting, that if you have applied to any other universities, so you can also like mention here, and you can also tell them what is the expected date of their reply. So here, if you have any awards and recognition, so you can simply add your all your awards and recognition throughout. So there are two steps, like we haven't completed yet our first step. I didn't fill it, so let me fill it and go to the next step, and then I'll show you the next step. So after I complete it, this is the next step, and the next step, they require the please select the program that you are applying for. So you have to select the program, and then institute where you are applying, and then program type, master or PhD. So you can apply accordingly. Graduate programs, also Erasmus Mundus program is being offered. Program level, doctorate or masters, so you can select accordingly. Similarly, the program, you'll have to select in what program you are going to apply. And here are a lot of PhD. Also there is PhD after graduate, undergraduate is being offered. So if you have even done your undergraduate and you want to do the PhD, apply directly through the master and PhD, you can simply apply as well. So as I answer the question, would you like to work in your PhD? And then you can like, it's kind of your field of study. So here is a list of projects you have to like go through first according to your major and field, faculty, every faculty, and see which projects are being offered. You'll have to go through each details and the professors, so you can add their details here, and this way you can get and submit your application. And if you and lastly, you can tell them from where you hear about them, and you can submit your application. This is very unique and very special. And last but not least, the deadline is 30th May 2025. So don't forget to apply before the deadline. If you have any question, don't forget to comment below and share this video with your friends who can also apply as well. Thank you so much.